Hello guys, so in today's video I am going to tell you about a website where you can earn 100, 200, even $300 a day online by just typing names. I want to share with you first of a website that I found this really cool. It's called squadhelp.com. Now anytime I hear of any money making things online, I am really leery kind of for everything of know what's fake and what is not. But I did some research because I had not heard of this when it was a little different, and what I would like to do you is now actually share with you this website when you can actually make money for just typing names online. The first one testimonial that I actually found on Squad Help website, and it's 4.9. It's looked like there is 2683 votes on this website. So there is a lot of proof that the website is good guys and you can make money. So I did research on it first. Now let's dive into it to take a look. When we get to Squad Help, here we can see a lot of options. If you want to up here on how it works, and this you can see a lot of options here. And this window will be open. It says how it's work. So here you guys can click video right here to know how it's work. Now we can see some winner here. So all of them are winner. Here you guys can see many participants. One at least $100, 135, 200, and even $300 as well. Here we can see all winners. They all won just by suggesting a name. So just with typing a name, we can win at least $100 in this website. You can see these all are winners. You can see more down. They all are winners of different contents. Anyone can win just by suggesting a name. So that basically how it's work. Now you do is you sign up as a user in here, and you only can submit name, and you could also enter contacts. You can do all things, but to participate a contest, they do charge you $10 fee, but it's one time sign up fee. And let's take a look at contents right here. Here we will go to at active contents right here. All these contents is in here. For names, I can actually enter names in. You read that they are looking for, you just enter the name. It's really that simple. Now I am looking for naming only. That's what I have put in here. If you see, I have done this off to the side here. I have done these two things here, naming only, active, pending, winner selection. So I have done all those. Now let's have a look on all those contents. Here we can see so here if we can see simple modern name for a software company they are asking. So if we suggest, so we can win $200. Here we can see a lot of contents where we can participate and win 100, 135, 200, even $300. There are many. Here we can see they are asking for cleaning product brand name. If you want to suggest any to participate, and we can win $300. So here I would like to give you a tip if you want to participate in any contest, and that is a contest with less entries. So here the competition will be low and chances of winning will be high. For example, here we can see 575 entries for this contest. So if you won one of these a day, or every couple of days, it would be easy to make 200, 300 and $400 in a single day by just typing names. I mean that really all this is a bunch of creative minds, go on, come on, it is would be good. I wonder if this would be good, and then you are entering those things in there. So it's a pretty cool site, does work worldwide. You can look through all different things in here. Marketplace dashboard. So here in dashboard, here you can see lot of different things. In here you can see the marketplace, their listing. Click on a couple of these things and look around a little bit. All these. There are too many options. We can see dashboard, our account, much more. It's very easy and simple to use. Everything we can find easily in the website in your own account details. All we have to do just to suggest a name and we can win at least 100, 200 and $300. Here in transaction, we can see our earning, my payouts, my coins, etc. All we can check here in transactions. The next you can see message center and activity feed. Here are winners. In affiliate dashboard, you can see two ways to earn commission as well. Share a link to squadelf.com. The second one, share a link to a premium domain marketplace. So with these two ways, we can earn commission as well. So guys, as I understand, it's an awesome website for earning online worldwide with just typing names.